today I'm going to try and help you with any of you who have 3 red lights of death on your Xbox 360. I'm going to show you a couple of methods of how to do it. It's not guaranteed to work, but it works for me. One of the methods I've already done is, you'll see there, I've put 7mm thick rubber blocks on these memory chips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you put the Xbox back in the case, the rubber pushes the motherboard up and makes the solders go into contact better, because sometimes the solders come out of contact, and that does actually work. If you have error code 0020, that will probably help you, because I'm pretty sure that's what the problem is. Also, another thing you can try is remove the heat sinks off the processor, the graphics processor, and when you find it underneath, there'll be loads of grey thermal compound on the heatsink and the processor. Also, there might be some tin foil on the processors or the heatsinks. If there is, remove it. Then you need to thoroughly clean the heatsink. You can just use a Brillo pad and some hot soapy water and get all the thermal paste off it, like this one as well. And do the same with them too, until you can see your face in them, or you can see the reflection in them. And then for them I used cotton buds, some tissue and nail varnish remover, and that made them clean. Very nice. Then you want to purchase yourself some high quality thermal compound, and then put a really small dot on, like the size of a bit of rice, and smooth it over at level, so it's all level, with a credit card or something. Put the heat sinks back on, and that'll give you a better heat transfer. Also, you can put thermal compound on these memory chips, these two, because this heat sink, when it's on, contacts them, and it will also help keep the memory cool, which will keep your Xbox cool and it'll last longer and maybe run faster. You may have heard of the towel method, which involves wrapping your Xbox 360 up in towels till it overheats and remelts the cylinder. That is a very bad idea, and I seriously warn you not to do it. You might have heard of the heat gun, but another method I found is, you like this one, hairdryer. This is basically the same as the heat gun, except it's at a lower temperature, and there's less chance of damaging all these. So for example, the heat gun, as you're heating all of your Xbox, all them little silver bits there, they're hot solders, and if one of them melted and fell off, you'd be screwed. And try to focus it mainly on the part that you think's broken, or on the CPU, but do it in circular motions so that it doesn't break all the others. And that's it basically, really. But my hairdryer method is still a work in progress. I don't know if it'll work, but I'll get back to you with another video tomorrow. And now I have another trick up my sleeve for you. This is 120mm a Casa fan for a PC. I've seen this done before on YouTube on a video where they get the case for the Xbox and they've mounted a 60mm fan in the side like that, and they cut the other side of the case out. I'm going to try to do it for this, help with some cooling.